Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this one, we're going to be working on the go-kart some more. In the last one, you saw me kind of show you the track and some other fun things. But it has reached 3 hours, so it's time to get this Royal Purple break-in oil out of it and time to put in this 10W30 full synthetic. So I got the oil draining out right now. I got it all jacked up. And let's put the drain plug back in and pour the full synthetic in it. So we're all done with this stuff. Time to pour in the 10W30. This is linked in the description if you guys want to rock the same stuff as me. Okay, we're nice. Let me show you, I guess. Fine, I'll show you. We're on the full mark there. It's all the way to the H. It's curious. Royal Purple. The break-in oil was purple. I was wondering if all their other oils were purple, and they are, which is dope. So, makes the oil look really dark though, but yep. So, we got our synthetic in now, so that's awesome. So one thing is my throttle cable, if I reached back and pulled it manually at the engine, I could get more speed. So I want to adjust our throttle cable a bit to see if I can't possibly get us to be able to use the gas pedal to get that full length. So yeah, let's see what I can do to get that going. Okay guys, so just got the oil changed on the go-kart. I adjusted the throttle so I get the full length of the cable now. And with this big gear on it, she is pretty torquey. So my dad's gonna hold the camera while I show you the torque and a little top speed run up and down the road. So yeah, let's flip it around. So as you guys saw, we got the go-kart all put together. That was the very first rip ever with the new engine, which is awesome. As you can see, it has a ton of torque with that 6-to-1 gear ratio. But I'm currently working on tomorrow's video right now. That's why I'm in the car driving somewhere. And yeah, I hope you guys, I know this video was short, but I'm just trying to post like day by day of what I did do, and I didn't do that much yesterday. So I hope you guys are liking these shorter videos and more frequent uploads. If you are, let me know down in the description your opinion, or if you guys want a little bit longer content. But I honestly like this. It makes it easy to edit, and then you get a more frequent upload schedule, and you get to see day by day of how productive I am. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. You don't want to miss it. Peace out. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.